Medic! Medic! Help! I've been hit!
Where are you, soldier? Where are you? Hey!
Let me carry you to the better place. Okay, sit still. Get ready, I'm going to pull it out. Keep calm, you are safe now. Don't move, I'm cleaning it. Drink this, it will help you. I'm so tired.
I understand. A lot of us were injured. Damn it. Those natives.
Okay, done.
So, how is going outside?
Now we are on advantage because the new cannons are helpful. The natives are trying to push us back to the town. So,
Oh good, but don't underestimate them. The situation can change anytime.
actually, there are many of them. I mean the native. And we cannot win this war without reinforcement.
I think maybe we shouldn't create this war. There are a lot of people are dying and injured.
Hey, one thing like that. We need this war and we might win.
It's true, but I don't want to see any people die anymore. Did the president do something for us?
Absolutely. The president is helping us a lot. But he is not a soldier like us. He just planned everything about the war.
Wow, he did a lot. I never thought before that he did most of the work.
During the war, we cannot eat anything except water. We fight all the time until we win. There are a lot of soldiers who get injured because of the poison arrow. That meant many soldiers die a lot. Before I got hit by the arrow on my leg, actually, I was hit instead of my friend.
Oh, that's why.